Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look at this girl just stiffing me out. Jeez, let me show you guys. Sarah Leah Dulavo, look at her. You guys, before I even go ahead and do the intro, look at my stomach and tell me if my stomach drop, as they would say. You comment down below and tell me if this girl has dropped low. This is my stomach right now. Okay, let me go ahead and do this. Wait, go for your step. Go for your step. Go for your step so they can see you. You guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are y'all doing?
37.
We are 37 weeks. We are 37 weeks. We're 37 weeks?
Yes.
Yes. Baby sister have how many weeks remain? How many weeks to go?
37.
We are at 37 and we're going to 40. So how many weeks remain?
38.
Then?
39.
Then?
40.
Okay, so how many weeks to go?
3.
Yes! You guys getting belly out and all today because I go pause your tablet. Go pause the tablet until you come back. I pick up the camera these days based off how I feel, and the past few days I haven't been feeling good, so I haven't picked up the camera any at all. But today, on the other hand, didn't feel nothing like yesterday, so I still didn't take advantage of it, or did I? Only thing I did, I got my mop bucket and my detergent and wiped the floors because I was tired of seeing these little spots. You know, when you have tile and you see these little spots in the floor, it just knocks you.
Mama,
Yes, Dad?
in the floor.
I don't know, I soon check. So I wiped the floor this morning. That was the only thing I did, and the house just become a whole lot different.
Mama, what's that in the floor?
I don't know, baby, let it stay. Use your shoes and hit it. So I have been just laying down. Today is Wednesday and we didn't send Tyler to his play school today because there is no way I could go and get him, because where his play school is up on a hill, and for me to get there I would have to walk, or if I if I take the bus, and where the bus would drop me I would have to kind of walk a little fast to reach his school in time to pick him up, because I can't walk too fast. I have to walk slowly. Yes. Good job, you killed him. Good job. Go and watch your tablet. Come and say hello to Faves.
Hello, babe. Good morning. It's not afternoon.
No, it is afternoon. It's not morning.
Yes,
We just got up from a nap, right? And what Mama gonna do now?
That's not afternoon.
It's evening.
I did a big nap.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's still afternoon. He said that because he called big nap at night. Take your foot down. Don't do that. Alright, go watch your tablet. Go on. And Mama gonna call you when I'm ready to cook, okay?
Okay.
Cool. What was I saying? We didn't send Tyler to school because there's no way I could go and pick him up today, because how I felt the past few days, it wasn't possible. So he stayed home with me today and we just chill all day, and being the boy he is not in my way at all, apart from his mama. But when I said Mama is tired, Mama is relaxing, he just let it be. So I pick up the camera because I am about to get some stuff done in the kitchen, I'm packing out my dishwasher from dishes that I washed this morning, and I need to find something to make for dinner, and I am turning on my oven as we speak because I am going to be baking the last box of cornbread that my girl Shanique sent me. I'm going to be baking the last box of cornbread that Shanique sent me, and I have 3 overripe bananas which I'm gonna add to it because this banana is ripening and I don't want to throw them in the bin, and since I'm going to bake, why not just incorporate it in there? So I'm going to make dinner, do this to baking with you guys, and then pretty much show you guys what else we're going to be chilling doing for the rest of the afternoon with my girl and my Tyler, and when babe get home. So you guys comment down below and let me know if you guys think that my stomach dropped. And by the way, I am 37 weeks today, so when you guys see this video, I'll be 37 weeks going into 38. So yeah, what do you think about this stomach? Did it drop or did it not? Comment down below and let me know.
This is what?
They're gonna tell me and then I'll tell you. So Tyler and I are going to do what now?
Cornbread.
Cornbread and dinner.
Mama?
So let's see what we're gonna be cooking up for dinner. So,
Mama, look,
come
it's
on.
in
Join the fam.
police.
you change into a police?
Yeah.
Ooh, who are you gonna harass?
Nobody.
Nobody. Everybody's nice today.
Yes.
Okay. Look at you, just hold on to my stomach. Who is in here?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Not Sarah.
Exactly. Tell them. Tell them.
Not Sarah.
Don't do your face like that. You don't have to be
Not
aggressive. What's her name?
Sarah.
And what's her middle name?
Leah.
And what's her last name?
Tulavu.
Yes. And what is mama name?
Melissa.
Yes. What's my middle name?
Roxanne.
Yes. And what's my surname?
Tulavu.
Yeah. And what is papa name?
Ludovic.
Uh-huh.
Dimitri.
Uh-huh.
Tulavu.
Yes. And what's your name?
Tyler. Tyler.
Uh-huh.
Horizon.
Uh-huh.
Tulavu.
You're so sweet and smart. Alright, ready to go cook?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, something else. I'm gonna pack out the dishes, so you're gonna do the spoons and the fork, okay? So that way we can start cooking. That's for you. I've decided to cook
You like onion?
just to cook with, but not to eat. For dinner it's going to be liver and white rice.
Leave that and white rice.
Yes, chicken liver. So I'm seasoning it up so it can cook while we're doing the baking. Okay?
This.
That's the liver in there. And I'm adding sweet peppers to it. And then I'm gonna add onion to it. And
I don't like it.
you don't like the onion? It's gonna cook in it so you won't see it. Okay? Mama don't like onion either, but it's gonna...
Papa no.
Papa will eat onion, but it's gonna cook so you won't see it. Okay? And I need garlic.
So that means we are making salad.
No, we're not making salad. We are making.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is now 5:20 p.m. Okay, look at the liver. See? All of it is in it, and when it cooks, they'll be gone. Okay? So you won't see the onion when it's cooked. It will be all gone. And then this is what? What is this? Thyme.
Time.
Right.
More time. More time. It's gonna be gone all of this.
All of it's gonna be gone. So we're gonna cook it right here.
Yeah.
Okay? So first things first, we do the. What we doing?
Pan.
Right.
And then we do milk.
So first thing first,
We do
we
the
do
butter. The butter. And the sides and the sides.
yeah, on the side.
I don't want to mess up me.
That's okay to get messy. Alright.
You're messy.
That's okay to be messy, Pumpkin. When you're in the kitchen, you have to get messy, okay? Okay, so we did the pan.
Let me do that. The milk.
Then next, stir together milk, oil, egg, and full box of cornbread. Spoon butter into pan. Okay, so now we need
Milk.
2/3 milk. Okay, let Mama get the measuring cup. For me like this.
And the masa.
Yeah. Up and down and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, strong. Well, Mama kind of put up here. Doing a good job. Very good. Take your time.
Finish.
Hold on. Very good, Ty. Bravo. This looks so good. Okay, so we mash the banana very lightly. Now we're finished with this. Now we're going to add 1 egg in here. Okay? Like that. Okay. Now you mix this. Mix it around. Like that.
Mama, you
priority right now. Okay, now we're going to add what? No, not yet. The cornbread.
Cornbread.
Alright.
This is from the oven.
Okay, now we're gonna add in our little banana here. Okay, right?
And then we mix it.
Right.
And then we mix it again.
Can you mix it for Mama, please? Very good, strong. Very good, you're doing a good job.
Then taste it after.
Yes, after. Okay, so now everything is all in.
Can I taste it?
Yes, stick your finger in. Okay, taste it now. It's yummy?
Yes.
Alright. Now we're gonna throw it.
Yeah.
Ready? Can you put your hand on the pan for Mama? And we throw all of it in. Now we're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for how long? Wait. It bake for 25 minutes, okay? Alright, you stay there while I'm in the oven. Stay there.
25.
Okay, you guys, so cornbread is in. Liver is cooking here.
It's gonna be
And
gone.
rice is cooking here.
It's
We're well
gonna
on
be
our way.
gone.
My job here is done. That's the outcome of the cornbread. That's the outcome of the liver. And that's the outcome of the rice. And it all finished. It all finished just in time for me to sit my little butt down and eat, because one, I'm hungry, and two, it's time for me to sit. Yes, Pumpkin?
So this is his hand and his arm.
Okay.
This is his foot.
Okay.
This is his leg.
Mm-hmm.
And this is his mouth.
Mm-hmm.
And this is his eyes.
Okay, that's a big rabbit.
Yeah.
Well done. Good job.
Hi guys, well, it's the end of the day. I'm back from work. Babe, she stay whole day with Tyler today. Usually on Wednesday I used to bring Tyler to school, but there's a big hill, and babe told me I can't manage the hill, and that's understand. So so she just stayed home with Tyler all day. I went at work, and yeah, I think she have a good day. I think she have a good day. She avoid to rest. She avoid to walk. So hopefully she rest. Tomorrow she gonna have a long day. So yeah, I hope that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna say I have the good job. Like our men have the good job. I mean, we walk, we do different things, and we don't know that's also she created something with the kid, but oh, she looks like she's struggling a lot. People used to say that the second baby, most of the time it's easier, or the body gets used to, or no, every pregnancy is different. With Tyler, I don't remember that was that hard. I remember she was walking, we were going to town, have fun, going different things. But this last month looks very hard. So yeah, hopefully she will be fine. I hope you had a good day. I had a good day otherwise. Busy, but had a good day. Can't wait for weekend. I'm starting to be like, okay, go to work Monday to Friday and enjoy the weekend. So yeah, I hope you had a good day. And yeah, have a good catch up with Nip Up. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Babe gonna have a busy day. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. So have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.